nature. This season we're back with past winners, but they have been studying nature. With a new twist of only 4 contestants, the last standing wins $1 million. The forest they are surviving in is a temperate, deciduous forest in the island of Hokkaido, Japan. It is springtime, so the cold highs of 55 degrees Fahrenheit and the lows of 40 degrees Fahrenheit will push our players to their limits. On arrival at camp, the players will be given 5 items to use to survive. They are a hatchet, a lighter, a tarp, a blanket, and a cooking pot. I'm your host, Jeff Probst. Now, let's meet our players.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I win Blood vs. Water, and now I'm a park ranger because I used my money to become a park ranger, buy a park. And I just love the wilderness, and I'm here to kick butt and win again. But it's not about the money, it's about the experience and the survivor diet. You can't get that anywhere else.
We started.
Oh, sorry. Hi, I'm Anna. Everyone thinks I'm Sandra, whatever her name is. And she won Heroes and Villains in Pearl Island. The only survivor to win twice. So I'm proud of that. I paid Jeff $1 million to get on the show, and so I hope I win so I can get that back. Yeah.
I'm Coach, I won Tocantins, and I'm here to bring zen and knowledge to my tribe. I'm now a professional zookeeper. Oh look, a squirrel. We take care of these at the zoo. And this one is a red squirrel. Squirrels store nuts for the winter, and that's a behavioral adaptation. These squirrels' tails are bushy and keep them warm in the winter, and that's a structural adaptation.
Hi, I'm Parvati. I won Micronesia and I was runner-up on Heroes vs. Villains. I am a chef and I own a restaurant now. It revolves around herbs and spices, so I have a lot of knowledge about plants.
Natalie, and it's just so incredible to be here. I'm here to win, obviously, like most people, but I also came here to do the Survivor Diet.
Hey, I'm, a first timer. I'm kind of a really big fan. You can call me Sandra or Sandra, whatever her name is. Everyone calls me that. But judging on the show, we need to build a shelter and a fire, now.
Oh, that sounds great. Here's some bamboo.
Oh, this is not normal bamboo. This Dream Queen is dwarf bamboo. An adaptation she has is that she grows really fast. When she gets cut down, she can go back up. It's raining right now, so we're under this tarp to protect us from...
After these messages, we'll be right back.
In this commercial, we are raising awareness for the poor cougars that are dead in the forest. And when my husband brings them home after a hunt, their lifeless eyes stare me down when their stuffed heads are mounted on the walls. These babies have gained the structural adaptation of having 5 claws on each paw. And this helps them rip apart their prey, climb trees, and survive the wilderness. These babies have also gained the behavioral adaptation of the female screaming in heat.
The law is out. The law has left the studio.
survivors will have to hit their hands on the buzzer. A question will be asked, and if they answer it correct, they win the point. The first to win 2 points wins immunity.
What food is Hokkaido, Japan most known for? Sandra.
Hokkaido ramen.
Correct. This is a true or false question. Hokkaido is the second largest island of Japan. Coach. Correct. What is Hokkaido, Japan most known for?
Volcanoes.
Coach is correct.
Here's a common jujube. Some adaptations that this jujube has is that it has a pointy branch. It's raining right now, so we're under our tarp so we don't catch hypothermia. I know Coach is going to catch hypothermia.
It's also nighttime, so it's much colder. That's why we have this blanket here with us to keep us warm, or to keep me warm.
Welcome to Tribal Council. Here, a player will be voted off the island and we will choose who the winning player of $1 million is. Now, are there any objections or things we need to concern ourselves with before voting begins?
I won Survivor. Studying nature.
2, 1, go.
I'm Coach. I won Tocantins, and I'm here to bring Zen and knowledge to my tribe. I'm now a professional zookeeper. Oh look, a squirrel. We take care of those in the zoo.
Catherine! Daddy, shoot it!
I shot it, the little...
2, 1, go.
I'm Coach. I won Tocantins, and I'm here to bring Zen and knowledge to my tribe. I'm now a professional zookeeper. Oh look, a squirrel. This...
One, go.
I'm Coach. I won Tocantins, and I'm here to bring Zen.
Winning, I don't care about the money. I mean,
Uh-oh, Coach! Coach is ending the scene! Coach is stealing the million! Uh-oh!
2, 1, go.
Hi, I'm Parvati. I won Micronesia.
How would it land?
And I was runner-up on Heroes vs.
oh, it's itching. It's itching. Oh my god.
Alright, now we gotta be good.
All right, cut. Now
Andrew! Why'd you put it face up? I won Survivor! Oh shoot, my hand.
It's raining right now, so we're under this tarp to protect protect us from the rain from getting hypothermia. Coach is probably gonna get hypothermia.
It's night, so it's also cold.
That's why we have this blanket here with us. It keeps us nice and warm. Or keeps me warm.
Wait, restart. I shouldn't say that because I'm coach. I went to Cantons, and I'm here to bring zen and knowledge to my tribe. I'm not a professional zookeeper. Oh look, a squirrel.